Mathematics, monthly review and exam review for Trial 4. Summary 4. Translation and vector coordinate, trigonometry and statistics. Definition of translation. A translation is to move a point, segment, line, or a figure according to a specific translation or according to a vector. So, the translate of this shape by the translation vector U is this figure. C is the translate of D by translation vector U. B is translate of A by translation vector U. B translate of A by translation vector U. So AB vector equal DC vector and AD vector equal BC vector. Then we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. Construction for one point. A prime is the image of A by translation vector B prime, such that A prime and B prime have same direction, same sense, same length, and A prime, B is parallelogram. Sum of two vectors. Check this relation. Vector AO plus vector OB is equal to vector AB. This is a Charles relation. If AB is any vector, then for every point M we have AB vector equal AM plus MB, AM plus MB. The parallelogram rule, OA plus OB is equal OA plus AC, which is OC. So for every vectors OA plus OB, it is equal to OC. Vector coordinate. Vector AB of coordinate 7 and 2. X of AB is 7, YAB 2. XAB equal XB minus XA, YAB equal YB minus YA. So the coordinate of vector AB is XB minus XA and YB minus YA. A minus 3, 2, B 4, 4. Find the components of vector AB. Vector AB, its coordinate XB minus XA, YB minus YA. So vector AB, XB is 4 minus XA minus 3. YB 4 minus YA 2. AB vector of coordinate 4 plus 3, 4 minus 2. So coordinate of AB is 7, 2. Now trigonometry. Naming sides of a right triangle. The opposite side to angle theta is this side. The adjacent side is, and the hypotenuse is this side. Trigonometric ratios. Sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine theta equal adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent theta is equal opposite over adjacent. We conclude that sine square plus cosine square is equal to 1. For any acute angle, sine alpha is between 0 and 1. Cosine alpha between 0 and 1. Tangent alpha is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite, variation of y. Adjacent, variation of x. Variation of y over variation of x, it is slope. Alpha is an acute angle that line D makes with x-axis. That's line D, that's alpha. If A positive, if the slope is positive, then the line D is increasing and A equal tangent alpha. When A negative, the line D decreasing and A equal minus tangent alpha. Now, statistics. Relative frequency. What's the meaning of relative frequency? It is the frequency of a certain value divided by the total. It is frequency divided by the total. Percentage of relative frequency. It is frequency times 100 over total. What is a bar graph? A bar graph is a graph using bars to show the data. Bar graph may be vertical or horizontal. Vertical bar graph or horizontal bar graph. Circle graph, also called pie charts. They are a combination of a circle and divisions of the circle into a given number of parts. To find a central angle. Central angle is equal relative frequency times 360 over 100, or a central angle is equal frequency times 360 over total. Mean. This is what we usually mean when we say, what's my average? Now, exam review. Question 1. In the table below, only one of the proposed answers to each question is correct. Write down the number of each question and give with the justification its corresponding answer. Number 1. In an orthonormal system, the two lines with equation y equal to x plus 3 and 2y plus x equal 1. The two lines intersect, perpendicular or parallel. First, the slope here is 2, while the slope here is 2y equal minus x plus 1, y equal minus x over 2 plus 1 over 2. Slope here is minus 1 over 2. Slope times slope minus 1 equal 2 times minus 1 over 2 equal minus 1. So we can say that the two lines are perpendicular. Number 2. The original price of an article is 30,000. Original, so the old is 30,000. And its price after discount is 27,600 LL. New is 27,600 LL. The percentage of discount is, the percentage is 30%. new minus old over old times 100 equal 27600 minus 30,000 over 30,000 times 100 equal 8%. So the answer is 8%, which is C. 3. ABC is right triangle at B. Right at B. A, B, C. AB equals 3. ACB equal 40. Find AC. AC is hypotenuse, so, and AB is opposite and hypotenuse, so we use sine alpha. Sine alpha equal opposite over hypotenuse. Sine alpha is sine 40 equal opposite AB, hypotenuse AC. So sine 40 equal opposite is 3 over AC, then AC equal 3 over sine 40. So the answer is A. 4. Natural numbers solution of 3x minus 1 less than 8. 3x minus 1 less than 8. So 3x less than 8 plus 1. 3x less than 9. X less than 9 over 3. So x less than 3. X less than 3 and natural number more than 0. So 3 here less than 3. So the answer is between 0 and 3. The answer is 0, 1 and 2. 3 is not included since we have less than only. The answer is C. 5. Triangle ABC is right at A. Midpoint of BC. If AM equal AB equal 6 centimeter, then find AC. ABC right, so we can use median relative hypotenuse. We can say that AM equal BC over 2. Then BC equal 2 times 6 equal 12 centimeter. BC is 12 centimeter. AB 6 centimeter. And angle A is right, so ABC semi-equilateral. ABC semi-equilateral, then we can say that AC equal hypotenuse radical 3 over 2 equal 12 radical 3 over 2 equals 6 radical 3. The answer is B. Number 6. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD. And E is translate of D by translation vector BA. E translate of D, so vector DE is equal to vector BA. D equal vector BA, so DE. Then we can say that C is midpoint of DE. C is midpoint of DE. Wrong. DB plus DE is equal to DA using parallelogram rule. It's correct. The answer is B. Question 2. The 300 students in a school are distributed into 5 categories. according to their age, which are respectively 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 years. The circular diagram below shows the percentage frequencies of this distribution. Copy and complete the following table. Age 14, its relative percentage is 31, 15, 20%, 16, 24, 17, 13, and 18, 12%. To find the frequency, first we begin from percentage of relative frequency. As we know, frequency times 100 over total. So to find the frequency is equal percentage relative frequency times total over 100. So for the first one, 14, 31%, so we can say that frequency equal 31 times 300 total over 100 is equal 96. For second one, 15, it's 20 times 300 over 100, so it is 60, and so on for all. 72, and here 39, and here 36. Now cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is first one 93 plus 60 is equal to 153. 153 plus 72 is equal to 225. 225 plus 39 is equal to 264. 264 plus 36 is equal 300. Number 2. Determine the mean of these students. Mean equal 14 times 93 plus 15 times 60, 16 times 72, 17 times 39, 18 times 36, all over total, which is 300. So the answer is over 300, which is equal 15.55. Number 3, determine the number of students having age strictly less than 17. Strictly less than 17 means 14, 15, and 16. So the number of students who are younger than 17 is the number of students who are younger than 17 is 225 students. Question 3. A video club offers its customers two choices, A and B. Each choice is formed of a fixed sum paid in advance, which is called subscription, and another sum to be paid for each rented cassette film. Choice A, subscription is 60,000 and 900 for each cassette. Choice B, 42,000 and 1,500 for each cassette. Number 1. A customer who wants to rent 20 cassette choices A. How much should he pay? He should pay 60,000 plus 900 times 20 cassette. So 78,000 LL. He should pay 78,000 LL. Number 2. Designate by X the number of cassette that a second customer desires to rent. Express in terms of x the price as 1 of x that this customer should be paid if he choose choice A, and price as 2 of x that he should pay if he choose choice B. As 1 of x equal subscription is 60,000 plus 900x. As 2 of x equal 42,000 plus 1,500x. B. Starting from which number does the rented cassettes of choice A becomes more advantageous than choice B? We advise you to start by solving inequalities as 1 of x less than or equal as 2 of x. As 1 of x 60,000 plus 900x less than or equal 42,000 plus 1,500x. To solve it, 900x minus 1,500x less than or equal 42,000 minus 60,000. So x greater than or equal 30 cassette. Now 3. A third customer has chosen choice B and paid 93,000. Chosen B is as 2 of x and paid 93,000. As 2 of x is 42,000 plus 1,500x equal 93,000. To solve it, find x equal 93,000 minus 42,000. So x equal 34 cassette. Part B. Which choice is better for him? Justify your answer. Choice A is better since the number of cassette is greater than 30. Question 4. In an orthonormal system of axes x prime o x, y prime o y, consider the points A 3, 3, B 0, minus 3, C minus 6, 0. First, number 1. Plot the points A, B, C. Plot A, B, C. A 3, 3, A, B 0, minus 3, 0, minus 3, C minus 6, 0. C. Number 2. Verify that y equal to x minus 3 is an equation of A. Y equal to x minus 3, ya, xa, ya equal 3 equal 2 times 3 minus 3, 3 equals 6 minus 3, 3 equal 3. So A belong to y equal to x minus 3. Does B belong? YB equal to XB minus 3. YB minus 3 equal to 0 minus 3 equal minus 3. So it's correct. We can say that B belong to y equal to x minus 3. Then we can say that y equal to x minus 3 is the equation of line AB. Number 3. Calculate the slope of line BC. Slope BC equal YB minus YC over XB minus XC. YB minus 3 minus YC minus 0. XB 0 minus XC minus 6 becomes plus 6. Minus 3 over 6 equal minus 1 over 2. Then deduce that AB and BC are perpendicular. Slope of AB equal 2. Slope of BC equal minus 1 over 2. So slope AB times slope BC equal 2 times minus 1 over 2 equal minus 1. Then we can say that AB perpendicular to BC. Show that ABC right isosceles triangle. AB is perpendicular to BC proved. So we can say that ABC right triangle at B. But AB equal XB minus XA YB minus YA squared equal XB 0 minus 3 YB minus 3 minus YA 3 square equal minus 3 square 9 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 square 36 9 plus 36 is equal radical 45, which is 3 radical 5. BC equal XB minus XC square YB minus YC square equal XB 0 minus XC 6 YB minus 0 square equal 6 square 36 minus 3 square 9 equal radical 45, which is 3 radical 5. AB perpendicular to BC and AB equals 3 radical 5 and BC equals 3 radical 5. So we can say that AB equals BC equals 3 radical 5. Then we can say that ABC right isosceles triangle. Number 5. Let D be a point defined by AD equal BC. AD equal BC. Verify that coordinate of D minus 3, 6. XD minus XA equal XC minus XB. So XD minus XA 3. XC minus 6 minus XB 0. XD equal minus 6 plus 3. XD equal minus 3. Now YD minus YA YC minus YB. YD minus YA 3. YC 0 minus YB plus 3. yd equal 3 plus 3, yd equal 6. So the coordinate of d minus 3, 6. Show that B. Shows that quadrilateral ABCD is square. AD equal BC, so ABCD parallelogram. Since AD equal BC means AD equal BC and AD parallel to BC. But ABC right isosceles triangle, then can say that ABCD square using parallelogram plus 2 equal consecutive sides and right angle. Number 6. Let E be symmetric of D with respect to A. A, B, C, D. E symmetric of D with respect to A. So we can say that AD equal AE. AD equal AE. And G is a circle circumscribed about triangle CDE. CDE. G is a circle. Part A. Calculate the coordinate of E. A is midpoint of DE. So XA equal XD plus XE over 2. XA is 3. XD is minus 3 plus XE over 2. Minus 3 plus XE equal 6. XE equal 6 plus 3 equal 9. YA, YD is YE over 2. YA is 3. YD 6. YE over 2. Then 6 plus YE equals 6. YE equals 6 minus 6 equals 0. So the coordinate of E 9, 0. B. Calculate the coordinate of I. I is the center of circle circumscribed about a triangle CDE. CDE is right triangle at D. Since CDE equal 90 degree ABCD square. So the center of the circle G circumscribed about triangle CDE is midpoint of hypotenuse CE. So I midpoint of CE. XI equal XC plus XE over 2. YI YC plus YE over 2 equal XC minus 6. XE 9 over 2 equal 3 over 2. YC 0. YE is also 0 over 2, so it's equal 0. The coordinate of I is 3 over 2, 0. C. Determine the equation with the tangent at D to G. Tangent to radius. So tangent is perpendicular to radius di. Slope of tangent times slope of di equal -1. First, find slope di. Slope di equal yd minus yi over xd minus xi equal yd is 6 minus yi of coordinate 3 over 2, 0 minus 0 over xd minus xi 3 over 2. Okay, so the equation is the slope of tangent times -4 over 3 equal -1. So slope of tangent equal 3 over 4. To find the equation, y equal 3 over 4x plus b, passing through d and here d. Y of d is 6 equal 3 over 4 x of d minus 3 plus b. Then 6 equal minus 9 over 4 plus b. So b equal 6 plus 9 over 4, 33 over 4. So the equation of tangent is y equal 3 over 4x plus 33 over 4. Question 5. In the adjacent figure, consider a circle C with center O and diameter AB. AB equals 6 centimeter. Let D be a point on C such that BD 63.6 centimeter. Denote by M midpoint of OB. The parallel through M to BD cuts AD at J. Copy the figure. Number 2. Show that ABD right triangle. ABD right triangle. ADB equal 90 degree inscribed angle facing diameter AB. So ABD right triangle at D. Then verify that AD equal 4.8. ABD right triangle, so apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal AD square plus DB square. AD squared is 6 square. AD BD 3.6 square. So AD square equal 36 minus 12.96 equal 23.04 AD square. So AD equal radical 23.04, which is 4.8 centimeter. Number 3. Verify that AJ equals 3.6 and calculate JM. First, GM parallel to BD given. So apply Taylor's theorem. In triangle ABD, AJ over AD equal AM over AB equal JM over BD. AJ unknown, AD 4.8, AM 3, and that's equal, so 1.5, it's 4.5, AM 4.5, AM equal AO OM equal 3 plus 1.5 equal 4.5 centimeter. AB 6 equal JM over BD 3.6. To find AJ, we choose AJ equal 4.5 times 4.8 over 6 equal 3.6 centimeter. To find JM, use these ratios. So JM equal 4.5 times 3.6 over 6 equal 0.7 centimeter. 4. The tangent to C at A and D, the tangent to C at A and at D intersect at L. Tangent is perpendicular to radius. The two lines AD and LO intersect at F. Calculate OF. A. Calculate OF. LA equal LD. To tangent drawn from one point to same circle. OA equal OD equal radius in same circle. So LO is a perpendicular bisector to AD. So F is midpoint of AD and O midpoint of AB given. So using midpoint theorem in triangle ABD, we deduce that OF parallel to BD and OF equal BD over 2, which is BD is equal 3.6 over 2 equal 1.8 centimeter. B. Proves that the two triangles OFA and OAL are similar. AFO equal 90 degree proved. LAO equal 90 degree tangent. So AFO equal LAO. FOA equal LOA common angle. So the two triangles are similar. So FOA and FOA and AOL are similar. Ratio. We find ratio to calculate AL. Ratio FOA. F equal to AOL. FO over AO equal OA over OL equal FA over AL. To find AL, we use FO over AO uses ratio. FO over AO equal FA over AL. FO is equal 1.8, AO 3, FA, F is midpoint of AD, so FA equal BD, AB, F is midpoint of AD, so FA equal AD over 2, AD 4.8 over 2 equal 2.4 centimeter. FA is 2.4 over AL. AL equal 2.4 times 3 over 1.8 equal 4 centimeter. Part C. Calculate round to the nearest degree the measure of angle ALD. ALD. ALD is equal to ALO. Find ALO. In triangle ALO, use trigonometric ratio. So tangent of ALO equal tangent of angle is equal to opposite over adjacent equal opposite OA adjacent AL equal 3 over 4. Tangent ALO, so ALO is equal to tangent minus 1 of 3 over 4, which is approximately 37 to the nearest degree. Then we can say ALD equal to ALO equal 2 times 37 equal 74 degree.